Hi guys, it's Tiffany here to go over my trades for the day. So today I'm deciding, because of a few comments on YouTube from my video yesterday, I'm going to go over my worst trade and my best one. So I did not have LB on my list this morning on my watch list. There wasn't much volume pre-market in comparison to some of the other things, and I just didn't really like the chart pre-market. However, after the market opened, the volume came in and it looked very strong. And so I've really been trying not to trade in the first 15 minutes because I can see things a lot clearer after the first 15 minutes close, and it's just not my style of trading when it's that crazy first thing in the morning. And if I would have stuck to my rules and not traded in the first 15 minutes, I would have probably went long right here when I saw that this volume came in and it started gaining strength. It was making a really nice ABCD pattern on the 5-minute. But Brian in the chat was also trading this, and he was long from I'm not really sure where, but it was a lot closer to the VWAP in the first 5 minutes. I'm wanting to say, and he was getting out of his position for the long side, and it made me really doubt myself of getting in this trade. It really did lose a lot of volume, and the order flow just wasn't happening very nicely right here when I got in there. So I exited my position, and then look at this. Oh, made me sad. But I refuse to look at this for the rest of the day because it's so heartbreaking when you exit your position and then it goes for no reason, because my stop loss was below the VWAP right here. So I really anyhow, that was my worst trade. And then my next trade was NEO. NEO, I traded yesterday as well, and this morning I really liked the volume it had, and the charts just look great this morning. So this was on my list, on my main watch list. I missed the breakup on the 5-minute, but again, I really like to wait the first 15 minutes, and I just didn't like it for long as a breakup. So as I was watching, I noticed that it was putting up a double top right here, or also known as Peter's Mountain Pass. And as you can see right here, these two moving averages, the 9 and the 20, were about to cross and head down. So that's when I went short, when it broke this level right here. And then I took my first partial at the VWAP, and then at the 100 SMA on the 1-minute, and then I took another partial at this previous day high. It came back up, tested the VWAP, and when I saw this candle right here, the rejection of the VWAP, I added to my position with my new stop loss being above these moving averages. And then I exited majority of my position right here when it tested this, again, this previous day high. And once the 1-minute started looking like kind of looked like a Head and Shoulders to me, and that it was going to reverse and go back up, I went ahead and exited the rest of my position. But that's it. That's my worst and best trade of the day. And I hope you all had a great Wednesday, and I will see you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.